the NXT robot on 2 wheels is supposed to balance, and this version of the balancing robot, or what they call NXTWAY or Legway, is to be performed by using a gyro sensor from Hitechnic. Okay, the sensor is right there. It's mounted on the side, which is very important actually for the gyro sensor to work properly, because this is a single axis gyro only. So if you turn the gyro wrong way and you tilt the robot this way, basically the gyro is not going to work. It has to be positioned in this direction. Okay, I'm going to show you. The code was published by a person called Ramin on one of the blogs on the internet, and this code is actually pretty good because it works. Unfortunately, the gyro, which is a known problem with any gyro, the gyro drifts with time. So as a result of that drift, the robot doesn't detect the balancing position very well, or doesn't adjust its speed to balance, and basically falls down because the balancing point changes from the normal balancing into you will see, into a kind of a offset position, and that's because of the gyro drift. Ideal way would be to also implement an accelerometer sensor which will compensate for that drift, and that's going to be my next version of this robot. But I want to show you here actually how this robot actually works with a single gyro sensor. At the bottom there's a light sensor, but I'm not using that light sensor right now. Just using the single gyro sensor, and watch this now, how the robot will actually balance. Not for very long, but it will balance quite nicely. And now actually this balances longer than I ever thought it will. Maybe the gyro doesn't drift that bad after all. So this is a robot with a single gyro sensor. He also has ultrasonic sensor on the top, which I don't think it quite works because the robot is steady. But this robot is actually quite amazing. Well, it's interesting to see how you can get this to work actually pretty well. So the gyro error is not significant. I also have a video of the same robot with a light sensor, which I managed to let balance for about 5 minutes. This thing eventually will drain the batteries, and it won't be able to power itself anymore. The batteries in this one should be pretty strong. As you see, there's no light. This guy's trying to get over the track over there, and he did.